Hey, what's up guys, this is Saksham back again, and I'm back with a new awesome video. In this video I will show you that the Windows password, any Windows password, that is Windows 10, 8, either 7 or XP, any Windows password can be hacked. You can modify any user account's password, whether it be a administrator user account or a guest user account or any other user account. You can hack, we can hack, anyone can hack any kind of user account. So let's get to showdown. But first of all, I would like to say that I will be shutting this screen recorder off because I will be doing whole of the process at the boot time. So I will be recording with my smartphone and screen recorder will not work there, so kindly manage that particular time. Okay, so let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back and now I'm going to show you. So this is the logon screen as usual we know. Now okay, let's suppose I do not know the password. Well, to be honest, I know the password to log into the screen, but let's pretend that I do not know the password. And you can also think that if, let's suppose that you don't know the password and you have to hack a system down and get enter into a system. So in that case you won't be knowing the password and you want that you will be thinking about that how to get into the system. So in this I will show you how I am getting into the system without knowing the password. So, and here I have kept a timer so that you can see the timer, how much time it takes. And to let you know guys, I'm not cutting and pasting any cut short videos, I'm not cut shorting any video. I'll be making the video original, so that you will get to know about what is it real or I am just faking. So let me show you guys what's the real password. Okay, so the real password is it says hello. Let me focus. Yeah, here you can see it says hello, and when I press enter it will get login. Just wait for it, it will get login. So it is the actual password, but now I will not enter this password, I will make my own password because I do not know it and I am pretending to hack the system. So I will have to log out this, sign out, and now I will show you how I will be hacking the system. As you guys, I've told you guys that the old system's password is hello, but let's suppose I am making my password to be Saksham stack, the same as that the username. Okay, and for your information, a user account can't have more than one password, and it doesn't have any further sign-in options like picture password or pin or any kind. So okay, so now let me show you guys. I'm starting up the timer to show you guys the process that I'm doing it real and I'm not cut shorting any part of the video. Okay, so I started the timer. Okay, now let's begin the magic. Oopsie. Now I'm writing my codes for checking the amount of users available on the system. I'm writing net users, and this will show me the users available. So according to this, only one user is available named Saksham. Okay, so and now I'll be changing the password. Let's suppose I have to make the password Saksham stack. Okay, and the timer is running. I haven't done anything. Sorry to not show you the timer because I have zoomed the video. So it was kept at the corner. Now I have moved aside here, and now I'm writing the code. Now I am writing the password as Saksham stack. SAKSHAMSTECH. Note that the password you are typing will not be visible, but it is considering your password. The system is considering your password. So after typing your password, just press enter, and it will again ask for a confirmation password. Now I have to retype the password Saksham stack. SAKSHAMSTECH Saksham stack, and press enter. Then the password will get reset. And it says the command prompt completed successfully. Woohoo! I have done it, you have done it, everyone had done it. So close this box. The timer is running. Put it aside. Now let me log in with my old password, which was hello. Okay. Let me type the old password. HELLO. I have written the old password hello. So let's see that it says your password is incorrect. Oops. Okay. Now I'm just writing the new password, which I have named as the same Saksham stack. Okay. So SAKSHAMSTECH Saksham stack. Check out the spelling. SAKSHAMSTECH. Okay. Password sounds good. Now I'm pressing enter, and voila, it doesn't shows any error. Now wait for some time. It will make you log in inside the system. For your kind information, this method is very cool and nice, but I'm not showing you this code because it's my own. But it's, yes, universal. It can be written on any system or any PC, any laptop, desktop, on any Windows. This works on any Windows. Yeah, this process will take some time, but be patient. This system is identifying that you have written your password. It will matches with the new password that you have created. So it's not to worry. Everything will be fine. But you have got to know that the old password has got erased. The password which was hello has not working. Oopsie, it's an error. Okay, just let me type again the whole process. I have written the Saksham as username. Now let me write it as Saksham step. It says the username could not be found, so I have to write that old one only. Okay, let me type the password as new password. Let me type the password as password PASSWORD PASSWORD. I've written it 2 times. It says command prompt completed successfully. Close this. PASSWORD password. Now it has entered. Woohoo! Voila! We have done it. You have done it, and I have also done it. So for these cool new tricks and tips and tricks, like, share and subscribe, and follow me also. I mean on YouTube. Subscribe me on YouTube. Comment if you have any queries, questions. But yes, I will not show you the original code until and unless I get 1500 subscribers. Yes, that is 1.5k subscribers. Wait for it, then I will automatically post a new video sharing the original code on how to crack and hack and everything related to this and hack into the system, your Windows system, anyone's Windows system. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, good luck, peace out, and like, share and subscribe.